Here we go again. We over here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, reporting, Hurricane Florence. Right now what you see, you can hear with some scary shit going on here. It's just some scary shit, but some good shit, man. We over here, fucking storms don't want to take my spirit. We're having fun over here. Got the families inside, it's secure, we got supplies, we got all the good shit, we cool. So I decided take this video and show you guys about, what's going on with us right now. And Fayetteville, North Carolina with Hurricane Florence. So we're having a good time, We getting the best of her right now. I mean, in and out of the house, so not trying to do anything stupid. I just want to report you this with a stupid custom, which is different. Anyway, take care, guys.